Hi, what's going on? My name is Anant. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you manage your team members inside WhatChimp. So to manage your team members, you need to scroll down to the bottom and you'll see two options. One is roles and permissions and second is manage team. So roles and permissions is where you can create custom roles that you can assign to your team members based on the privileges that you want to give them. For example, if someone is an agent in your company and the only permission you want to give them is to just access the live chat inbox, they should be able to talk to your customers, but they should not have the access to broadcast or look at your subscribers or connect a new WhatsApp number or anything apart from just chatting with the customer. Then what we can do is go to roles and permission and create a new role which will be called as agent, and we only give them the permission of live chat. Now let's say we want to hide the number from them. We don't want them to be able to see the numbers to all the incoming queries that we are getting. Then we can enable something called as number mask, which will hide all the incoming numbers. If you want to enable the translator so that if anyone is reaching out to you in different languages like French, Spanish or anything else, you with a single click you can translate that into your own language and your agent will be able to respond to them. So let's just enable all the features of live chat over here. Now we have more things that we can add on their permission, but since we are making it only for the agent, let's just keep only this many permission. So I've created a new permission called as agent. Now, if I want to create a new team member, I can go ahead and do that from here. So as you see over here, I need to just put the name of the new agent. So I'm going to call it as new agent @gmail.com, and I'm just going to add a test password over here. Right now here we get an option to assign the specific role that we created. So this is the role that we are going to give them, and you can also decide which phone number that you want to give access to them. So if you want only one phone number to be assigned to this agent, then you can do that, because in WhatChimp you can connect multiple WhatsApp phone numbers, and let's say you only want to give access to one of the phone number, you can absolutely do that. Now here you also have options that allow only assigned chat in live chat, which means as an admin, let me show you something. As an admin, you can see the assigned chats, which is over here, and you can see all the chats, right? Whereas for agents, you can just enable this so that they are only able to see the assigned chats to them. I'm also going to show you how you can assign the chats to agents. But first of all, let's just go ahead and create this. Okay, so let me just generate a hard password and create. Okay, so I have created a new agent over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into this agent and show you how the dashboard of this agent looks like. Alright, so I'm on my incognito tab and I'm logging in with this agent account, and you can see over here the agent only have the permission to look at the live chat, and the reason why the agent cannot see any of the chat is because this agent has not been assigned any single chat right now, right? So for example, if I go over here and I assign one of the chat to the agent, let's just refresh so that we can find the new agent that we just created. So now if I want to assign this to new agent, I can go ahead and do that, click on save changes, and then when I go back here and refresh, you can see one of the chat which was assigned to the agent, now he's able to see that, right? And the moment the agent loses the assignment, the moment the agent has been removed from this assigned conversation, he won't be able to chat with the customer. So the agent will not be able to reassign this. You can see over here, the agent does not have the permission right now to reassign the chat, but the admin currently have the permission to reassign the chat. So if I want to go ahead and reassign the chat back to admin, and then refresh. You can see the chat is gone. So this is how you can assign chat to the agents. If I want to give access to all the chats, then I can come back here and then I can disable this, click on update, and then if you refresh the chat, you will see the agent will be able to see all the chats right now. Cool. So let me just go ahead and disable this one more time because I want to show you one more thing. So I'm going to disable this. Now inside the bot manager, there is an option where, via chatbot itself, you can assign a chat to an agent. Let me show you how. So if you see over here, right, whenever a new chat come in, right, and let's say somebody says, I need support, something like that, right, then I want to assign my chat to a specific group, so I can assign to all the agents, right? Everyone who have the permission of agent, it gets assigned to everyone. Or else I can assign to a specific team member, right, which is the new agent that we just created. So what I want to do here is I want to assign this to all the agents. Anytime somebody needs support, it gets assigned to all the support member. In fact, I can add a label as well. The label is support, which means, which is easier for me to identify how many support inquiries I get. And then I click on save. And then let me just put a message. Thank you for reaching out to support. Our team will get in touch shortly, or our agent will get in touch shortly. Save it. That's it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a message to this number and we'll see if we are getting